If you want to set the correct temperature on your AO Smith water heater, it's important to balance safety, comfort, and energy efficiency. Most AO Smith models allow temperature adjustment between about 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 150 degrees Fahrenheit, but the company recommends keeping the setting between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The factory default is usually 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is considered the safest and most efficient option for everyday household use. Higher temperatures can increase the risk of scalding burns, especially for children and older adults, while also raising energy consumption. For electric water heaters, always switch off the power from the circuit breaker before making adjustments. Remove the access panels to locate the upper and lower thermostats, then use a flat screwdriver to adjust the temperature dial. Make sure both thermostats are set to the same level for even heating throughout the tank. After adjusting, reinstall the insulation and panels before restoring power. On gas models, adjustment is easier since you can simply turn the temperature control knob without opening the unit. Many gas heaters also include a vacation mode that keeps water warm at a lower temperature while saving energy when you're away. Slight temperature variation during use is normal and doesn't usually indicate a problem.